Hello everyone, it is Nui Does Engineering, and today I'm going to teach you how to use the rounding tool. Now the benefits of the rounding tool is so that you can round multiple surfaces or edges at once in X, Y and Z plane. This means that you don't have to use 3 different sketches if you want to do it into 3 different planes. So, up in the top middle there's a round selection. There's auto rounds and rounds, but let's do rounds for now. And this is set 1. Let's say we're going to round the top. Ooh, 5 mil. Yep, with a radius of 5 mil, we can. Press OK, and that rounds the top surface. Right. However, let's say we want to have multiple rounds. Instead of pressing round again, rounding new surfaces, we can go edit this round and create a new set. And then select the corners that we want. So we're going to round all these edges. And let's say we're going to do it as 2 mil. So now we can have a 2 mil round and a 5 mil round. So the 2 mil rounds are in set 2 and the 5 mil rounds are in set 1, which means we can have more rounded shapes. That is all there is to it, to this tool. It's quite an easy tool, it's really versatile, you're probably going to use it a lot. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a nice day.